Hi, I'm Gabi. On today's video, I'm gonna make pesto sauce. Stay with me until the end of this video and I'm gonna show you how many calories are. All the ingredients I'm gonna leave in the description box. Let's get started. I'm gonna use basil I've grown in my living room. You can do the same growing by a window. I'm gonna place basil, pour olive oil, add pine nut kernels, garlic clove, and blend a bit. I'm gonna place grated Parmesan cheese, grated pecorino cheese, cooking salt, and blend until to get homogeneous. The recipe yielded 85 grams. This is the recipe nutrition facts. And this is the nutrition facts for 100 grams of pesto sauce. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you in the next one. See you later. Bye!